Hi! In this video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress using Mojo Marketplace from your cPanel. We're starting out in our cPanel, and we're going to choose one-click installs. This is going to take you to Mojo Marketplace. Here you can install scripts. There's also a large selection of themes, add-ons, and plugins which you can purchase. Once we've gotten to Mojo Marketplace, we're going to install WordPress, which is right at the top under Blogs. We're going to start a brand new install. Now it's going to ask us which domain we want to install it to. So you're going to find the domain that you want, and then click Check Domain. Now, you can show the advanced options, and here you can change your site name or title. This you can also edit once you've installed WordPress. You can also set your username and your password. You can change your password at a later date, but the username you can't change, so make sure that's what you want it to be. Once you've set that up, check that you've read the terms and conditions and click Install Now. You can watch the progress bar up at the top of your screen, and this will let you know how the installation is going. You can also look at themes if you're in the mind to purchase one. Alright, now that the installation is done, you can view your credentials, which is your login information for your site. Here is all your login information that you will need to log into your brand new WordPress site. We can go ahead and log in now to make sure everything is set up correctly. And there you go. That's how you would install WordPress.